Let's go over replying to a topic. You can begin your reply by clicking the reply button at the top of the page. Or, if you're in a hurry, you can click the quick reply button at the bottom of the last post in the topic. Here, you can type your reply and hit submit, which would post it as is. If you wanted more posting options, you would go to the full editor by either clicking the reply button or this full editor and preview button. By clicking full editor and preview, you will see a preview of your post at the top of the page. Underneath is the full editor. In order to modify the text, you would first highlight the text just like you would in Microsoft Word. Let's select the first option and click the B for bold. What you'll notice is that the text now has opening and closing tags before and after it. To see how this will look in your post, we can click the preview button at the bottom. You'll now see that the text at the top has been bolded. You would repeat these same steps for italicizing and underlining. Next, we'll highlight the text again and skip down to the coloring option. By clicking on the color option, you'll see a menu of different colors. Select the color you want the text to be, and you'll see that the code now appears in the editor. There's also the option of posting a YouTube video. You'll see this little YouTube icon, which when clicked will post opening and closing YouTube tags with your cursor in the middle. From here, you can paste a video link from YouTube. When we preview, you'll now see the video appear in the post. After that button, you'll see the drop-down menu for text size. It ranges from tiny to huge. After selecting the size, you'll see that the text has now increased. Lastly, you'll see this BB codes drop-down menu. These are more advanced codes. However, the ones you may use the most are centered, which will center everything in your post. Spoiler will create a clickable text that only appears after the user has clicked on the show button. You'll notice that there is a quote button. If you navigate back to the post, the easiest way to include quotes is to navigate to the post you would like to quote. By clicking on the quote button at the top right of the post, this will take everything within that post and put it in quote tags at the start of your reply. If you scroll all the way to the bottom of the post, you can add your comments underneath. By previewing, you can see that this is a good way to reply to someone in a thread with lots of different posts. You'll also notice that quoting shows all of the original tags that are within a post. This will come in handy because it will show you all of the image tags that are contained within the post. You can then copy and paste those image tags and use them in your posts. In our next video, we'll go over posting images.